Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the BeeAnime application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's an amazing application that a lot of people use to watch anime on Firesticks or Android TVs totally for free, and they got thousands of titles in here, including the newest ones. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact anime that's available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get BeeAnime to your device. First of all, you'll need to get an app called Downloader, which you can easily get from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just gotta go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see right now, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we gotta click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you've got the downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually stop the loader, we have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find the developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. To do so, just go to About, select your Fire TV stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see now at the bottom, for me, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have now appeared for us right here. So let's open them. Make sure to turn on the ADB debugging right here. After that, go to install known apps, and from here you have to locate the loader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it. And there you'll find Downloader, which is actually set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I strongly recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So I gotta go to the list of apps on your device, start up Downloader, and wait until it loads. Here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then in that search bar, start entering a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then your code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, we just need to scroll it down a bit until you find that list of categories. From here, just click on anime right here, and a list of anime applications is going to appear. And today we are looking for the BeeAnime app. There it is on your screen, so let's click on it, and then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry and just click on close or on X to actually close down the ad. In my case, we need to click on close, and now a new web page has opened for us. Let's scroll down a bit until we find that download button there. So we need to click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then click on install and wait until BeeAnime gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device, depending on what kind of device you're using. And then don't click on open, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to delete the installation files, as they are not needed anymore on your device. Click on delete and then delete once again. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick right here. Let's open it. Scroll down to the bottom and there you'll find BeeAnime, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way BeeAnime is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. By the way, there's one more important thing. You'll need to go to the settings once again, to My Fire TV, to developer options, install on apps, and there turn that option on for the BeeAnime as well, because BeeAnime might need to get updated and it won't be able to do so unless we turn that option on. Then let's start up the application. And from here, now on, you will be able to watch anime online and totally for free. Hope the video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.